Good. Hey, Ben White again with the town of Farragut. I'm the Capital Operations Coordinator back out here at Virtue Road. Good news, we're putting on the final asphalt surface for the walking trail and the roadway on phase 1 of the Virtue Road project. Currently it is Friday the 12th of November. Monday, November 15th at 9 a.m. we are scheduled to open this section of this road project back to traffic. I'm sure everyone's going to be happy, but no happier than I will be. And just be safe, be careful. You know, everybody's going to get all excited about the new road and stuff, but we will proceed on to phase 2, which will be south of the roundabout from the Brookmere subdivision. So Virtue all the way through will still be closed, but the north section from the roundabout to Kingston Pike will be open. Thank you. Good. Out.
All right, you ready?
All right, I'm Xavier Hill. I work for Harrison Construction. I've been working for the company for about 3 years. We've been working on this project for a couple of days. My primary job is the shuttle buggy operator and to convey the asphalt over into the paver. And yeah, man, it's a cool job. We've been out here, beautiful weather, and we're about to wrap the job up. It's gonna look nice.